Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here by Koolkatkoo, all with K's. I'll show you it here. And we have a styrofoam insert here. I'll take that out. And we have, oh, this is so cute. Okay, so here is a little mug. But check out this mug. So it's got a little cat face on the front. And the back is just plain, and it's got little ears here. But look inside. There's a little kitty cat in there. How cute is that? If you use this and then you like fill it with hot cocoa or coffee or whatever that people are drinking, when they get to this end and start to see the cat in there, man, they are gonna flip. This is the greatest, cutest little mug ever. How cool is that? And it's got like a nice cat front on it. Sorry, I've got so many lights going on in the studio, it's hard to see, but you get the idea. It looks like that, and it's really nice and made out of a nice ceramic on it. So this is a cool little mug. I love it. Thumbs up.